Yesterday, guys, we were buying the pound, guys. Of course, we hit a target and the support is still working, but I'm going to change my bias because due to price action, because this support is acting as resistance. So, first of all, I'm going to take pictures for my AI so it can do the analysis for me, and I will compare the AI to my own analysis and see what it cooks up. After that, we will continue back to our analysis as well. Okay, guys, let's do this. Execute. So, guys, in my opinion, let's come back to the 1H. We have to make something clear, guys. The 4H is bullish. This resistance is acting as support. Well, I mentioned that, guys, but on day trading, guys, we wait for low time frames, guys. So as long as the price stays below 1.34584, guys, we are still bearish. And I would always start buying this, guys, if the price breaks above 1.34846. And guys, my first target would be 1.3556. And guys, my bearish target obviously would be today's low, which is at 1.34022. And guys, my next target would be 1.33454. So it is kind of confusing. So being bearish doesn't mean I will enter the trade right now. What I will do, I would, I open up my indicator. I open up the settings. It's short form. My entry is 1.34584. 4584. My target is 1.34002. 4002. 002. And next target is, guys, 1.33454. Okay, guys. So what happens? The indicator will automatically reject the trades and automatically place them on my accounts. So what I'm going to do is update the settings to my alerts that will send the signals to my accounts and my Discord group as well. Okay, so I've updated that, save, and now I will go to the pound here as well. I will do this and set it to. Let me check the webhook as well because the previous webhook wasn't working. Set it to as save. So now this is done, guys. So I don't have to look into it. It will automatically start looking for trades and placing them on 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys. So that will be quite easy. So let's get back to the AI. The matrix is calculated. It is bullish. As I mentioned, guys, it is bullish. Huh. Okay. Let's look at its reasoning. The verified pivot zone is 1.3405 to 1.34438. Guys, market structure, it's bullish continuation. The price is consolidating at the bottom of 1H range after a strong 4H bullish impulse. The expectations are moved from the range support to the range resistance. Time session for the Wednesday, the key support tested, London session, blah, 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 with the US CPI release acting as the primary catalyst. Okay. MTF in the first time frame provides the bullish direction, 1H time frame provides the execution framework. Defined range which gives a pivot entry for. Okay, okay. Okay, the fundamentals risk of environment driven by significant equity market surf is fostering a strong haven bid for the US dollar. This has created a state of consolidation at market participants await the high impact CPI release, which is the definitive catalyst for the next move. The data will arbitrate the conflict between the current risk of USD strength and the significant disinflationary pressure from a coordinating strategic oil reserve release. So, guys, there we have it. So let's copy these levels and we will discuss them on the chart. Okay, guys, it is buying as long as the price stays above 1.4005. Okay, it's same as mine. My first bearish target, it says bullish entry area. This target one is 1.483 uh, 481. The high of my buffer zone, it says bullish target. So basically, I'm selling from here to this bottom, and it start buying from this bottom. So we both can be correct as long as both of our targets get hit. So let's see what happens, guys. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.